The criminal justice process from the filing of a First Information Report, FIR, to the final court procedures, along with relevant sections from the Pakistan Penal Code, PPC, and Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, and other relevant laws. 1. Filing of FIR. First Information Report. The FIR is the initial step in the criminal process, where an individual reports a cognizable offense to the police. Section 154 of the CRPC. This section mandates that information relating to the commission of a cognizable offense shall be recorded in writing by the police officer in charge of the police station. 2. Investigation. Investigation process. After the FIR is lodged, the police start the investigation, which includes examination of the scene, visiting the crime scene and collecting evidence, recording statements of witnesses under Section 161 of the CRPC, arrest of accused. If sufficient evidence is found, the accused may be arrested. Section 41 of the CRPC specifies when police can arrest without a warrant. Search and seizure, conducting searches and seizing evidence. Section 100 of the CRPC deals with the search of a place suspected to contain stolen property, forged documents, etc. Medical examination, conducting medical examinations of the accused or victim if necessary. Section 53 of the CRPC authorizes the examination of the accused by a medical practitioner at the request of the police. 3. Charge sheet, final report, completion of investigation. After investigation, the police prepare a report. Charge sheet, Section 173 of the CRPC. If sufficient evidence is found, a charge sheet is filed in court detailing the charges against the accused. Final report. If no evidence is found, a final report is submitted indicating that no case is made out against the accused. 4. Initial court procedures, cognizance by magistrate. The magistrate takes cognizance of the offense based on the charge sheet. Section 190 of the CRPC deals with the powers of magistrates to take cognizance of offenses. 5. Summons, warrants. Issuance of process. The court issues summons or warrants to the accused to appear before it. Section 204 of the CRPC deals with the issuance of process. 6. Bail. Bail. Applications. The accused can apply for bail at various stages. Anticipatory bail, Section 438 of the CRPC. Pre-arrest bail. Regular bail, Section 437 and 439 of the CRPC. Post-arrest bail. 7. Arraignment and charges. Framing of charges. The court formally frames the charges against the accused. Section 228 of the CRPC deals with the framing of charges in sessions courts. Section 240 of the CRPC deals with the framing of charges in magistrate courts. 8. Pretrial motions and hearings. Pretrial motions. Various pretrial motions may be filed by either party. Discharge application, Section 227 of the CRPC. The accused may file for discharge if no sufficient grounds exist for proceeding against them. 9. Trial. Proceedings. Opening statements. Both prosecution and defense present their opening statements. Examination. In chief, prosecution presents evidence and examines witnesses. Section 137 of the Indian Evidence Act. Examination in chief is the examination of a witness by the party who calls him. Cross-examination. Defense cross-examines the prosecution witnesses. Section 138 of the Indian Evidence Act provides for cross-examination of witnesses. Defense evidence. Defense presents its evidence and examines witnesses. Rebuttal evidence. Prosecution may present rebuttal evidence. Final arguments. Both sides present their closing arguments. 10. Judgment. Pronouncement. The court delivers its judgment. Section 235 of the CRPC, judgment in cases tried by the Sessions Court. Section 248 of the CRPC, judgment in cases tried by magistrate courts. 11. Sentencing. Hearing. If the accused is found guilty, A separate hearing is conducted to determine the sentence. Section 235(2) of the CRPC, Sentencing Procedure in the Sessions Court. Mitigating and aggravating factors. The court considers factors that may affect the severity of the sentence. 12. Appeals and post-conviction remedies. Appeals. The convicted person can appeal the conviction or sentence. Section 374 of the CRPC provides for appeals from convictions. Revision. Both parties may seek a revision of the order. Section 397 of the CRPC deals with the powers of revision of the High Court, review, and clemency. Section 401 of the CRPC provides for the High Court's powers of review. Article 72 and 161 of the Constitution of Pakistan, powers of the President and Governor to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment. 13. Execution of sentence. Implementation of sentence. The sentence is executed as per the court's order. Sections 413 to 435 of the CRPC deal with various aspects of the execution of sentences. 14. Post-conviction probation. The offender may be released on probation. Probation of Offenders Act, 1958, provides for the release of certain offenders on probation. Parole. Temporary release from prison. State-specific parole rules govern the parole process. Restitution. Compensation to victims. Section 357 of the CRPC provides for compensation to victims.